Alright, so I'm starting this from the beginning. You can go ahead and look at the other videos or whatever, but this is the animation. Just that. That's all it's supposed to do. Something super simple, single box, single bone. So you'll notice I'm in pose mode. This was made in pose mode, so it should work. I found out that you can only make animations with bones. And there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and export everything. I'll show you, actually before I do that, I will just enable these. These are the, obviously the reference or whatever, the idle animation, and then physics model. I don't care about the physics model, that can stay however. I really don't care. I just want to know how to make animations. But there it is. That's all it's supposed to do. Export, scene export. There's 5 objects, and there's 4 things that appear here, obviously. And these are what it makes. So it makes an animations folder and anims folder, and that's where it stores that. Notice this file is 6 kilobytes, the rest are 4. This is the QC file. So right now, this is what it's going to compile. I do have it to where this is the actual bone. I found out this is the bone. I'm assuming I need a way to link the bone and the animation thing. Like, this is what I want to have to call on. But you'll see here. So I'm going to compile this. Compile, everything's fine. Go to preview. We're going to view the model. Go to sequence, choose animation, it's already playing, and nothing's playing. If I switch it to idle, nothing happens because it's idle. Notice if you click animation, it switches. The model actually rotates a little bit, but nothing plays. So let's go back, change the QC file to call upon the animated, oh my gosh. Animation. So now it's calling upon this file right here. Let's go ahead and compile that again. Preview it. Sequence, animation, and nothing's playing. So go between them, you'll see that they're rotated. So I don't know what the deal is. Someone needs to help me out. I've been going back and forth for a while now on the other thread here. So lots of replies. I've made a lot of videos showing all my code. Originally I thought it was an issue with the set sequence. That's why I named this thing called set sequence not working for animating this model. You can go through, I linked it. Robot Boy has been a lot of help. He helped me finally pinpoint it to being a modeling issue. So he told me to, go in game, right click and click edit icon, and then play your animation. If it works, something's wrong with the entity. If it doesn't, there's a problem with the model. Since it didn't work, since that edit icon thing didn't work, it did not play the animation. It played the 60 frames. It was actually playing an animation, but the animation was empty. It didn't do anything. So I'm making this thread and starting again from scratch. Go through, go ahead, read everyone's replies and everything. It's very helpful. I made a lot of videos. I tried doing this kind of armature animation where there's 3 bones, one for the what I called skeleton or backbone, then left and then right. Tried animating that to do something like if it wants to play. Okay, it doesn't want to fucking play. I'll play this. Okay. So it goes up and then it warps like that. They said, or this guy said, something seems wrong, that you don't have it set up right. So he said make something basic. So I made something fucking basic, which is the same thing you see here now. That's all I did, and it doesn't work. That's when he finally said, okay, let's isolate the issue, because I'm getting impatient with this. I've had this up here for a couple days now, and yeah, so some help with this would be extremely appreciated. Thank you for your time. Yeah.